Book title, Akhand Jyoti, July-August 2020. Chapter 2. In COVID times, let's learn the golden rules of holistic health. Now listen to the chapter. The COVID-19 virus pandemic has made us realize that our existence and health are more significant than our narrow comforts and selfish desires. Therefore, we have decided to devote this issue to health and wellness. I believe that the knowledgeable readers would be benefited by the simple yet effective methods of healing the mind and body described in this issue. Param Puja Gurudev, Pandit Sriram Sharma Acharya, in his book Rejuvenation Without Medicines, writes, "Nature has innately gifted all living creatures with vibrant health. Every creature is born with natural resources to be able to lead a healthy and happy life. It is only at the level of human species that one observes a vast majority suffering from some or other kind of illness, affliction, or weakness. When all other creatures, despite having nominal intelligence, keep themselves healthy, it is surprising indeed that human beings, claiming themselves to be intelligent, should be suffering from all kinds of diseases." Upon seriously contemplating on this tricky problem of health, it appears that the life of every creature is tied with strong bonds to nature. This life-creating agency, nature, has a set of rules to keep the mind-body system healthy. The living species that follow these rules remain healthy, and those who disobey get trapped in the web of diseases. It has been observed that the willpower of an individual plays a vital role in augmenting the lifespan. Thus, the first golden rule to attain longevity is that one should have firm faith. I will live a healthy and youthful life for 100 years. We should thoroughly believe in our ability to keep ourselves well with positive and harmonious thoughts. If someone consistently feels that he is going to die early, he will undoubtedly die soon, prematurely. This inner doubt alone would send him to the door of death. Orison Swett Martin, in his book Peace, Power, and Plenty, writes, "I know people in delicate health who habitually hold in their minds sick and discordant thoughts. They are always thinking and talking about their ailments. They rejoice over their symptoms, watch them, study them, look for them, until they have what they expect. For like produces like. It cannot produce anything else. A reversal of the thought, thinking of health instead of disease, and holding in mind the health picture instead of the disease picture, would cure many an invalid without medicine. Health thought is the greatest panacea in the world." The second rule is about eating right. Everybody knows that food is the basic necessity of life. But very few know the art of eating right. That is, have an idea of what to eat, when to eat, and how to eat. Rigveda 2:37 says, "O men, only those food articles are fit for consumption that make the body energetic and satisfied, that provide glow and comfort, and that make the organs strong and fit for the performance of yajna. Do not ever stalk and consume those herbs food materials that sap the body's strength and produce lethargy and intoxication." The third rule to lead a healthy life is that every activity of our life should be inclusive of nature. Artificiality and the craze of new fashions, new modes of transport and communication, etc., have certainly contributed to social progress. But it has also ruined the health of the masses. In ancient times, our revered ancestors, living in forests and groves, were deprived of present-day miracles of science and technology. Even then, they enjoyed the bliss of holistic health all their lives. Ancient history is full of the prowess of mighty people. Archaeologists have found 5,000 years old skeletons of human beings from which they have inferred that the height and weight of a man used to be around 8 feet and 300 kilograms, respectively. Even in the previous century, there were quite a good number of people who could eat 6 to 7 kilograms food at a time, walk 40 to 50 kilometers daily, and live for 100 to 150 years. But within 1 century, all these things have become impossible. Fashionability, artificiality, and unnatural routine have snatched away people's health and long life. If this routine is not changed, the day is not far when, in the coming century, people will become dwarfs and short-lived. The human conduct against nature will gradually destroy his health, the very base of life. Unless this downward sliding is stopped, there will be no stopping of diseases and pains. Instead, they will go on increasing day by day. Present-day human society has indeed been engulfed in such circumstances that it is not possible to follow the natural routine completely. But it is also true that whatever artificiality has crept in the daily routine due to false fashion, bragging, or greed of eating spicy foods can be reduced considerably. If purity, naturality, and the need are kept in mind, then many items of eating and living, which are designed to impress others, will appear useless, like a heavy load. It will appear desirable to shed them as early as possible. Therefore, Atmiya Parijans, desirous of rejuvenation, readers, desirous of a healthy and happy life, give up this artificial and unnatural routine and return to nature. Let us turn our back on this false splendor. Let us live a simple yet elegant life. Let us bow to Mother Nature, atone for our wrongdoings, and beg for a healthy life. Compassionate Mother Nature will make us drink her milk, and we will be blessed. With prayer-filled wishes for a happy, healthy, and harmonious life, Pranav Pandya.